We're trying to figure out what kind of bird this is here. It's been flying around. And just before I got the video, I was trying to take a picture and it swooped down in the water and got something. While our friend is over there. Oh, there, he just dove. That was a long shot, but we're trying to figure out what these are. Not the geese. Those are swans. Yeah. Well, this thing is still going around. Those birds are getting way out there. Go see them on the other side. Another view of the swans. And their geese friends. Whoa. Fluffing up. And now Michelle pointed out west. That bird's still there. And diving. But yeah, the storm cloud's coming. Looks like things are building up. That'd be cool. Nice. They're flying away. Just missed them taking off. So I was taking pictures of a red-winged piper. Like that, there they go. Are they going to land on the other side of the pond, or are they gone for destinations unknown? Yep, well, let's go and see if we catch up with the member again. That was cool. I'm prepared for this thing to take off, but we found the blue heron. We saw one of these yesterday morning. I didn't get a video at Broadview Slough, but there's always one here that we see when we come. Waiting and waiting. Thought for sure it would start taking off when we walked by, so I wanted to catch its flight, but no, he's pretty chill. It's pretty cool. You think it's standing, or you think it's just like floating? Like, can its legs just... Is it not that deep out there? I don't know. I've never like swam in there. That's cool. See anything? El Michelle did. Turtle. There's another one right over there to the left of it. blue heron still out there. Somewhere. There it is. There's a Loch Ness monster. But yeah, the turtle. That's awesome. We've seen so much cool nature. And there's ducks. I mean, but we always see ducks. But I'd say that really completes a nice little nature walk.